Utara Rusnovers, selamat pagi Rusnovers. Today I'm going to do review and unboxing our groceries from another baking store. Jadi pagi ini saya akan bongkar belanjaan kami dan juga mereview di toko khusus baking stuff yang lain ya. Nah, nggak ada namanya, there is no name written in the map. On map it's totally no, just it is written or Vipejka or like baking store, something like that. So but it is we have the address is Ulitsa Lenina Dom 80 Gorod Kaluga with zip code 248001 Gorod Kaluga, Ulitsa Lenina Dom 80 Mesarash no just Mesarashetov magazine. But I even didn't know what was this. It seems no, it's not magazine. Jadi ini tokonya tuh nggak ada nama, cuma maksudnya nggak nempel, jadi cuma nempel gitu aja ya. Bukan nempel sih, cuma tertulis saja dia tempat untuk alat-alat baking stuff itu. Nah, dia di Kota Kaluga, Jalan Lenina, nomor di Kepartir 80, bukan Kepartir Dom 80, di bangunan 80, nomor 80, dengan kode pos 248001. Ya cari aja di sekitar Jalan Lenina. Nah, we bought some stuff. We bought two kind of stuff here. This cooling rack here. See, can you see? This is cooling rack. Jadi seperti ini nanti. So like this, not so high. I thought it will be like that. Nggak terlalu tinggi ya untuk tempatnya, tapi it's okay. So there are two types of this. One short one with high, this one with high edge like this. One that we bought is long one. Jadi ini ada dua versi, ada yang pendek ada yang panjang. Nah, yang pendek itu segini, cut like that, but this one, tapi yang untuk dudukan tatakannya itu lebih tinggi ya. Jadi mending beli yang ini. So I choose this one instead of short one because usually I bake for bread too, my own bread, so we need longer. So this costs berapa itu ya? So 365 ruble. Ini 365 ruble. 365 ruble. It's called Reshotka для глазирования и остривания кондитерские изделия. Alipayusya покрытие сыр. Ini apa lagi? Pokoknya gitulah. Mungkin anti karat ya. But anti karat biasanya anti corroded. It's okay. So this one is good. In B plus we saw also like this, but it's different. So it's kind of you can fold it one, but there is no square like this, only one vertical or one horizontal one, that's all. Dan harganya lebih murah kalau yang di B plus itu ya, tapi warnanya putih kayak alat panggangan itu, tapi dia enggak ada kotak-kotak seperti ini, mendatar aja, telur saja kalau nggak salah, dan dia bisa dilipat. But this one you cannot fold it, you cannot fold this. Okay, what else that we buy? Let's step aside this one. So another one, we have this one place for cakes. Actually you can make by yourself here. This one cost 38 ruble per one. 38 ruble satunya nih ya. Ada ukuran sedang, besar, kecil. But we decide to buy big one because we have the top from a bakery shop. Karena kita punya atasnya ya, Jadi kita nggak beli, kita cuma beli bawahnya aja. Nanti kalau kebesaran bisa dipotong. If for somehow it is so big, you just have to put your cake and then cut it around it. That's all. So better buy big rather than small or medium. Jadi seperti itu ya. Jadi ini satunya itu 38 ruble. That's all that we buy from the store in Lenina Street. Jadi itu yang kita beli ya di toko baking store, di toko khusus alat baking. For my opinion, when I went there, it is very complete there, but somehow not so complete because I couldn't see loaf pan, square loaf pan that has base like in Indonesia, and some stuff not so complete. But because it's not so small, it's not so big store too there, karena tidak terlalu besar ya memang tokonya. But you can find lots of chocolate chips there, ada keping coklat ya, ada yang putih, there is white and also chocolate too. I want to make it video there, but it seems it is not allowed to make video there, as there is when we went there's some people who follow you, maybe they want to help, but I feel uncomfortable there just because I want to choose, maybe because they're afraid that we want to steal something, or I think it's common since they don't have CCTV, camera. So it's like in Indonesia to sing, so no problem. But if you're uncomfortable, it's okay. You have no bad intention, just ignore that, because maybe they want to ask, they stand there to, who knows, you need some help from them. Jadi siapa tahu pas waktu ke sana mungkin ada yang mau ditanyakan, mereka standing di sana, mereka berdiri sana. There also I saw food color too from various taste. Also there is no taste too, like for example they have green food coloring that has taste of green apples. Jadi ada yang warna hijau ya warnanya, cuma dia bukan pandan tapi dia dari warna dari apel. Cost almost a bit expensive, 135 to 165, 169, so almost 200 ruble. Jadi hampir 200 ruble untuk satu gininya tuh ya, one for small bottle. But I think it's normal because we don't use that lots for food coloring, just 1 drop, 2 drops, 2 drop or something like that. Jadi kayaknya wajar tuh harganya, karena kita nggak gunanya terlalu banyak untuk food coloring, biasanya setetes sudah cukup. Also you can find what else that I saw there. Also for torte place tuh they have, ada juga tempat untuk naruh kue, tapi dia panjang in tube form, in dalam yang dia tinggi tempat bulunya. Kemudian apalagi yang saya lihat, also cetakan kue for cutting cookies, or to make what else, to make spoit to, what do you call it, like to make something to decorate your cake, they have also. So somehow great too there, I like. But price not so friendly, but somehow it's normal. For cupcake paper, they sell not so strong one. It's very big for muffin, but it's not like us in Indonesia. It is totally paper, so you have to have your baking cake to baking place, to baking form, to put your cupcake paper there, otherwise it will collapse. Kalau kita yang muffinnya itu dia Untuk muffin, cetakan muffinnya itu yang kertasnya itu kokoh ya, itu bedanya. So that's the difference. And they sell some. There is 15 ruble for one or 5 ruble or something like that. I didn't notice very well because I was with my husband. So should be faster like that. What else? So if you compare this from my review in traditional market, we also ever went there in traditional market. In traditional market, we bought, well, in traditional market, we buy like this one, tipping bag for cookies. Much more cheaper, but you cannot move so free there because the place very small in traditional market in Kauga, in our city. But somehow it is good, but not so complete, just small one. It's like letter L. The store is like letter L. Jadi kayak ukuran huruf L itu ya, sempit. Dan kita harus nggak boleh kita kacaukan. Misalnya kita mau memilih, kita harus benerin lagi karena penjualnya itu langsung cepat-cepat benerin. Padahal kita masih ada di sana ya. So whenever you went to traditional market special for baking, you have to tidy whenever you want to choose stuff, because the seller will come to you directly. Come to the place where you choose the stuff and then make them tidy. Jadi itu aja perbedaannya. So overall I like, but I want to find more, because like Indonesia I love because they have huge amount of stuff there and for baking, from forma, for baking pan they have huge amount. And also, I don't know, I really like Indonesia baking store much more, but not so bad here. It's awesome too there. Nah, di sini juga kalau dibandingkan dengan di Indonesia lebih komplit yang Indonesia ya, karena banyak loyangnya. Ada loyang kecil, loyang segitiga, loyang mulai dari loyang yang kecil untuk buat itu pokoknya lengkap banget. Nah, di sini terbatas. So here is limited. In my city, I don't know in other city. It's just in my opinion. Maybe I didn't search lots, but so far like that. Jadi begitu ya. Mungkin ada di tempat lain yang saya nggak tahu. Maybe there some place also that I not yet visit. Okay, so I think that's all for my review and my unboxing of our groceries from yesterday from baking store. Okay, I think that's all for my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di share, di like, di komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. Das Treasure Lovers, sampai jumpa lagi Treasure Lovers. Pakai.